Hi, this is a video for people who are finished with stage 3 and are ready to move on to stage 4. So in other words, you've already done all of your research. It's all cited in NoodleTools. All of your research, you've taken notes on it on NoodleTool note cards. It's come from 3 different sources. You have at least the following 5 note card piles, and you've gotten it signed off by a teacher. If you've met all of that criteria, then you may continue watching this video and you're ready for stage 4, which is to fill in the essay outline and then submit that on Schoology. So the first thing is to go and find it. It is linked on Schoology. Since it's due on Friday, it's linked under Friday. Okay. If you're watching this video and it's not there, it's going to be under quarter 3 assignments. So once you open that, you'll notice that the directions say to make a copy of this, save it in your quarter 3 subfolder. I've already done that step. So here is the outline. This is our sort of graphic organizer. Really quickly, here's the overview of what the paper has to entail. And because this is a little small for the video, I'm going to zoom in. You're going to have 5 paragraphs: an introduction, 3 body paragraphs, and a conclusion. All of the information that's written here in these colored words are also repeated throughout the rest of this document. But the quick overview is that your introduction paragraph is going to have a hook. You're going to introduce the problem, give some history and background and what the purpose and goal of the charity is. Then you're going to make a thesis statement, which will overview your 3 reasons. And you might be saying to yourself, we don't have 3 reasons. I'm going to explain that in just a moment. The next thing you'll do is go into your body paragraph where you start talking about the first reason we should support your charity. This is the one that you thought of on your own. Okay? You're going to include the relevant and accurate evidence. In other words, research. Then you're going to explain how that evidence supports your thesis. The paragraph 3, which is the second reason to support your charity, this is the one that we said had to be financial based or financial in basis. Okay, same thing as paragraph 2. This paragraph is your concession paragraph. In other words, that's when you concede or acknowledge that there is a counterclaim. You rebut that counterclaim. That rebuttal, that is technically counting as your third reason to support your charity. We haven't explained it that way, so that might sound new to you. Then you need to support that rebuttal with evidence. You should have a note card that has all that evidence on it. And then again, explain how that evidence supports your thesis. The last paragraph is the conclusion, where you're going to remind us of your thesis statement and remind us of why this issue is an important cause